This is our first night, or our first STEAM night, I should say, at QE. We normally do a literacy and math event, and this year we chose to focus on STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. So there are 9 different stations. One of them is our robotics club that we offer here at Quakertown Elementary. So they're going to be showing the robots that they've created, and they're going to be having matches against one another. The other ones are all ones that incorporate math or science, lots of building, hands-on activities for our kids to explore and be creative. The other thing is we also had a family STEAM project that some families chose to be involved in, where they created a family project out of reusable materials at home. And so that's really neat too. You might want to check that out because they did a really great job. We just want to promote science and math and art here at QE.